In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Zoho CRM. We're going to walk through the full process together, step by step, so that by the end, you'll have a reusable email template that you can send directly from your CRM without having to rewrite the same message over and over again. First, let's navigate to where email templates live inside Zoho CRM. From your main dashboard, look for the Setup icon, which appears as a small gear, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up your main settings area. Inside Setup, find the section labeled Customization. This is where you control how your CRM looks and behaves. Under Customization, select Templates. This will open a page showing all the different types of templates you can manage. Since we're focusing on email, choose Email from the options. On the Email Templates page, look for the button that says New Template or Plus New Template and click it. This starts the process of creating a brand new template from scratch or from an existing design. Next, Zoho will ask you to select a module. This is important because it tells the system which kind of records this template will be associated with, such as leads, contacts, or deals. Open the drop-down, pick the module that best matches who you'll be emailing, and then click Next to continue. Now you'll choose your template type. You'll usually see options like blank, gallery, or HTML. Blank is helpful if you want to write everything yourself. Gallery gives you pre-designed layouts that you can customize, and HTML is ideal if you already have code or a designer-created layout. Pick the one that fits your workflow and move forward. Once the editor opens, start by giving your template a clear template name. This name is internal only, so make it descriptive enough that you and your team can recognize it later. Then, fill in the subject field. This is what your recipients will actually see in their inbox, so keep it concise, relevant, and professional. In the body editor, you can type your email content just like you would in a normal email. To personalize it, use merge fields. In Zoho, you can trigger merge fields by typing the hash symbol or # inside the editor. This lets you insert dynamic values like the recipient's first name, company, or other fields from the chosen module. Take a moment to place these where it makes sense, and always read your message as if you were the recipient. When you're satisfied with the content and formatting, click Save. Zoho will then prompt you to choose a folder. Select the folder that best organizes your templates, such as marketing, sales, or follow-ups, and click Save again. Your email template is now created, stored, and ready to use whenever you send emails from that module in Zoho CRM.